Let's take a left here. Is your car waiting for you?
Of course it is. Where's my team?
Gus is getting them. Don't worry.
Move!
I got it.
Son of a bitch!
Boyd's gone.
To your car and we're home free. Clear. Go. Go! What's the holdup? Oh, man. What are you, a hired gun? I get it with Snowden. He wanted vengeance for his wife's death. But you're gonna throw everything away for another man's vendetta?
You don't remember me from the trial, do you? She was my sister. You and your lawyers decided her life was worth $1.2 million. It's more than fair, that's what they said.
I tried to make amends.
Shh. You should let me handle this, okay? Because I have experience in these situations.
You wrote checks. That's all you did. Well, we took your money and we put it towards making you pay. It's kind of ironic, isn't it? You financed your own murder.
Look, Boyd, or whatever your real name is, I think that you are a very smart man.
Well, you're an idiot. You were worthless in that room and you're useless now.
I think we can all agree that name-calling is beneath you.
Whatever you're trying, it's not gonna work. I got your guy locked in my sights and I will shoot him no matter what. Unless you want to be the second victim, I suggest you hold very still.
Who are you kidding, man? If you were gonna kill him, you would have shot him already.
This is personal. I'm waiting to see the right look on his face.
Okay, remember when we were in the room and I was talking about trampolines? Well, they're incredibly therapeutic. So why don't you and I go find ourselves a big one and bounce like gentlemen?
Are you suicidal? Is that it?
Get out of the car!
Hands in the air! Hands in the air!
Got him?
I got it.
You all right? Let me ask you a question. Do you hate waking up with bedhead in the mornings?
What? I can't.
No, you know what? Never mind. It's okay.